Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a news website with Elementor. First, ensure you have WordPress installed and Elementor Pro activated. This combination provides the flexibility needed for a dynamic news portal. We'll cover setting up your basic pages, like the homepage and article templates, using Elementor's intuitive interface. Get ready to transform your vision into a professional online news platform with ease and efficiency. Elementor offers specific widgets that are perfect for news sites. The Post widget, for example, lets you showcase your latest articles in appealing grids or lists, giving readers quick access to content. With the Loop Builder, you can design unique layouts for individual posts or categories, ensuring a consistent and engaging user experience. Plus, dynamic content features seamlessly pull information from your WordPress database, keeping your site updated automatically. Designing your news website's layout is crucial for user engagement. Start by crafting an eye-catching homepage, featuring a prominent hero section for breaking news and clear sections for different categories. Next, develop a single post template that ensures every article has a professional and readable format, including author boxes and related posts. Finally, organize your content with well-designed category archives, making it simple for visitors to find topics of interest. Once your news website is live, think about monetization and growth. Elementor makes it easy to integrate various ad spaces, like banner ads or native content, without disrupting the user experience. You might also explore premium content or subscription models to offer exclusive articles to dedicated readers. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Keep optimizing your site for speed and SEO to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.